Is that fun? He just started cracking up when he saw the hill. I don't want to slide down myself.
He thinks it's hilarious.
His butt's all dirty now.
Go take it back up there and do it again.
Are you ready?
Okay, I'll be down here this time.
Okay, I'm stuck.
We need to go to White Sands with the boys. You think he'd be all scared, but it was the complete opposite. That was so funny.
Wait, no, don't go off that way.
She just walked him up to it, and he just started cracking up when he saw it.
Are you ready?
Let's try the same one.
Oh my gosh. He saw it, and he's laughing again. Bailey was the one crying a minute ago, and now he's like, just tickled. Oh my goodness. I'm all trying to fix your shirt. Aiden's not as tickled about it.
His pants are falling down.
I was thinking that was going to happen.
Fix his shirt.
They don't have hardly any pants that fit their waist.
Wait, Dad, I need to fix
Are we still go in the women's restroom until you call us out or something?
I don't know. That's an idea, though.
Because if we're in the van, we can see.
Alright, I'm turning it off for now.